Turn.
For you, a feeling for you, I dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch them grow, perceive, devote. This is the seed, light the show. Watch them grow. I dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch them grow, perceive, devote. I dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch them grow, perceive, devote.
So this is how his birthday weekend started off. Hi babe. What are you watching?
I'm watching the cut that wanting to start spinning like a dog.
Really?
Yeah, that's more fighting on the box.
Okay. Are you gonna say something about your birthday weekend?
Yeah.
What is it you're gonna say? What is it you wanna say?
Maybe Saturday or Monday something.
Look. What can I say? I'm going to say happy birthday to you. And I really hope that you enjoy your weekend leading up to your birthday on Monday. And that you have fun.
Okay, but sing happy birthday to Hakeem.
I have to sing happy birthday to Hakeem?
Yeah.
Wow, okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
And then Kudo.
Oh, I forgot. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord, may the good Lord, may the good Lord bless you.
Okay, so singing. What's my birthday?
You want
Mickey
your,
Mouse car?
you want a Mickey Mouse car for your birthday?
Yeah.
What Mickey Mouse car?
Teacher said I have Mickey Mouse car birthday today at school
Really?
today. Yeah.
Okay.
So Cleveland is my best friend.
Who's your best friend?
Cleveland.
Cleveland is your best. Cleveland and Javon is your best friend.
Yeah.
How cool is that?
And all of my friends are my best friends.
And then all of the other friends are your best friends also.
Yeah.
Okay, but you have two special best friends, Cleveland and Javon. That's super cool.
And all my friends.
Yeah, and all your friends. All right, so say something.
Something is the greatest actually things to do. But
Okay.
I still gonna. Yeah. But you gonna song.
Yeah, that's another song.
And today I actually suspend my record.
So he's just in here chilling out in the room. I've been doing some cleaning and all. So yeah.
Okay, now let's go and check it out. Now come
And
guys,
then-
come with me. I
Oh.
have to show you something. Oh, look, a birds. You got all with the birds, okay? Because
Yeah,
some
his dad and I
people
got birds for
very,
him and
very-
fishes for his birthday. Wondering what he's gonna have next. Look at this. He's here shaking his hair. He loves his hair so much.
Wait. Put the phone by the birds.
Put the phone by the birds, okay?
Birds,
So
birds
demanding.
says cease, cease. The bird can talk.
Yes.
The bird can wake up. And the bird is sleeping, the bird wake up.
Okay.
It's night time, the bird sleeping.
So we have so much planned today. I'm gonna put his bird on a table where he can see it and get it to feed, and also put his fish in the fish tank. But today it's a lovely day. Oh my gosh, I love it when the sea is like that with a little bit of green
and these are some
and a little bit of blue and all that. It's so gorgeous when it's like that to me. I love to see it that way with all the different colors. It's so amazing.
Yeah, and then also there's funny beach there.
He's talking.
You guys see a boat? I saw boats, guys. Hey guys, I saw boats. You go over there, boats. Look at this way, the boats.
Okay, there's a boat out in the far right there.
And also we have another accents we have to do. So I have to do another YouTube videos. So guys, I'll show you to something. But where I go? Come let me show you something. See?
What's that?
That's a toy.
Okay. So it's about the weekend is started off being here with me. Today is Saturday. We're just doing a few cleaning
So where to go, guys? We have
and
some-
just
some
do
nugget
whatever it is come to
in
mind. Take care of the birds, take care of the fish until tomorrow. It's gonna be epic.
Okay, where to go, guys? You have to do another epic challenge. You have to do first 2 push-ups, but we already have push-ups.
You're gonna do
But
push-ups.
We won't do push-ups tomorrow when we all wake up early in the morning.
Yes, when you wake up early in the morning.
But click the subscribe way. Comment down below if you guys love me. But to ask and go, guys. So we have a boat at the beach. So we have fun at the park today.
You didn't go to the park today. But then you have a backyard that's big enough to be a park. And also a front yard where you can ride your stuff. Yeah?
Yeah, but you down there, guys. You down there. Somebody cut grass.
Yes, they cut the grass.
And also we have another YouTube channel to show you guys. There's a street and there's other places. And I see the sign says no walking in the grass, walk on the road today.
There's signs in the walking in the grass, walk on the road today.
Yeah.
Really? Wow. So it's such a lovely day. We just decided to hang out today and do whatever it is we want. Because from tomorrow we're going to be out and going.
Yeah, and where to go, guys? The two free signs says no walking in the grass, walk on the road.
Okay, walk on the road.
So actually we walk on the grass today.
What are you even talking about? We're not even talking about the grass or the road. Well,
we go by that and then we water soak. But we only water soak today.
really?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
And also I have another YouTube channel to show you. So today we have another walk. So we have to do
You're shaking hands?
some YouTube channels that I do.
Really?
So I have another YouTube channel to show you with those birds.
You have to show them another YouTube with the birds? Have they front
Yeah.
on when it's all set up and we have everything going? Because we have to definitely tidy up this space and make it enjoyable for not just you but the birds also.
Yeah, and also that screen. Can you tell me what those stars is?
What? You said you would do another channel.
Okay, where
Wait.
to go, guys? Today there's two and there's two and there's one and there's three.
Babe.
So also there's three and there's two.
Oh my gosh. You said you will do another channel just based on the birds.
Yeah, and those size
Another
of
video.
only
Sorry,
one.
but you said channel, I think. Yeah, but okay.
Okay, then first we have a swim today. So I also find one on my map. Then the words are today.
Okay. Say bye bye.
Okay, no.
Why not?
Because I have to say my YouTube channel.
You are too cute. Say bye until the next time you will do another video.
Oh, no.
Why? You so love this camera so much. Say bye until the next time. You can't be here all day.
No.
Yes.
No.
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 No. Yes.
No.
Yes. No.
No.
Ha. Come on. Say bye bye and
No.
subscribe to your
No,
channel.
no.
No. Well, I'm gonna say bye.
No.
Alright, bye guys, and subscribe
No,
to his channel.
No.
Well, you have to say it.
No.
Come on, they're waiting on you.
No.
Bye guys, and subscribe to his channel.
No.
Grow with Hakeem
I
Haksha.
said that. No.
Like, share,
I said
and comment below.
no.
Also, let us know what you would like to see from Mr. Haksha in the comments. Until next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Grow with Hakeem Haksha. You see how he's growing, such a miserable little one. Bye.
No.
I dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch them grow.